Good day everyone, I am Danica May Arniola, and today we were going to talk about the renaissance of mathematics, Cardan and Tartaglia. Let's talk about the life of Girolamo Cardano. He was born in 1501 and died in 1576. Girolamo Cardano was an Italian mathematician, physician, and astrologer who has made significant contributions to the understanding of algebra. He is the best known for his work on solving cubic and quartic equations, as well as his pioneering work in probability theory. Niccolò Tartaglia, so he was born in 1500 and died in 1557, was also an Italian mathematician who is known for his work on solving cubic equations. He famously engaged in mathematical dispute with Cardan, which led to the discovery of general method for solving cubic equations. Both Cardano and Tartaglia played crucial roles in advancing the field of mathematics during the Renaissance, and their work laid the foundation for many future developments in the subject. Now, let's talk about the Europe in the 14th and 15th centuries. Europe faced challenges like famine, plague, war, and social unrest. However, by 1450, the continent began to recover with population growth, flourishing towns, and strong monarchies. The rise of new monarchies marked the decline of feudalism. The Renaissance, a cultural survival, saw a transition to a secular and urban culture. Italy, with politically independent city-states, became the epicenter of Renaissance. The fall of Constantinople and the invention of the printing press further fueled this period of renewal and growth in Europe. The invention of printing with movable type in medieval Germany revolutionized and dissemination of knowledge. Johannes Gutenberg's printing press, particularly his Gutenberg Bible, marked a significant milestone in the history of printing. Early printed books focused on religious texts and mathematical works. Notable mathematicians like Montanus and Luca Pacioli contributed to the field through printed works. The dissemination of mathematical knowledge through printed books played a crucial role in the development of mathematics and other fields during the Renaissance. In the medieval period, before the formal establishment of universities, renowned scholars attracted students from across Europe, leading to the popularization of cathedral schools. The universities of Bologna, Paris, Padua, Oxford, and Cambridge trace their roots to this period, each with its own focus and governance structure. Despite the influence of the Church, efforts were made to stimulate interest in mathematics, with candidates for degrees in Paris required to study Euclid's work by the mid-15th century. The medieval universities held significant prestige and played a crucial role in the intellectual and cultural landscape, but they continued to prioritize a general education over technical instruction, maintaining a focus on the liberal arts. During the Renaissance, there was a passionate revival of interest in classical learning, particularly in Italian city-states. Scholars dedicated themselves to studying ancient Latin and Greek texts, believing they held solution to contemporary issues. This cult of classics led to the search for lost manuscripts, the growth of libraries, and the formation of literary clubs. The Renaissance scholars made significant contribution by restoring Greek literature, editing manuscripts, and emphasizing the humans in education. This focus on classical learning influenced the emergence of gentleman as a model of education. While the Renaissance had limited progress in science, its revival of ancient knowledge indirectly paved the way for scientific revolution.